Today I'm here to talk about a disease that is currently affecting millions of people across the globe. There are 100,000 cases in Canada as of 2015, with 5,500 new diagnoses each year. This illness is characterized by symptoms such as tremors, trouble speaking, and impaired posture and balance. The disease I'm referring to is Parkinson's disease. Today I will be talking about the pathology of Parkinson's as well as two possible treatment options that have been studied in our research lab. It has been recently determined that cell death in a region of the brain known as the substantia nigra is the primary cause of Parkinson's disease. So how do these cells die? Well, consider the fact that although our brain only composes 2% of our total body mass, it utilizes 25% of our total oxygen intake. Over our lifetime, reactions involving oxygen in the brain produce harmful byproducts known as reactive oxidative species. It is the buildup of these compounds that ultimately causes cell death and can lead to neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's. So how does cell death cause the wide variety of symptoms experienced by Parkinson's patients? As I mentioned previously, the substantia nigra is a region that specializes in dopamine production. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, or in simpler terms, a chemical signaling molecule that allows cells to communicate with each other. When these dopamine-producing neurons die, cells lose the ability to communicate effectively and the body can no longer control proper motor function. This gives rise to the wide variety of symptoms that is experienced by Parkinson's patients. Until recently, the only available treatment was the direct replacement of dopamine in the brain. Although this alleviated symptoms, it did not do anything to stop the progression of cell death. Our research group has been focused on creating a treatment that will not only alleviate symptoms but also slow the progression of cell death. Recent research has shown that antioxidant coenzyme Q10 has been effective against combating the stress produced by these reactive oxidative species. Preclinical trial work has already been completed in our lab. Another compound that has been investigated recently is known as Jisukang or JSK. This is an ancient Chinese herbal formula that has been shown to reduce cell death in rats with acute spinal cord injury. My research hypothesis is that a combination treatment of JSK and coenzyme Q10 can additively reduce cell death in Parkinson's patients. I'll be testing these treatments therapeutically, meaning that they will be administered only after Parkinson's is induced. This type of research is applicable to clinical settings where it can be used to treat patients in any stage of the disease. It is my hope that one day this research will provide a natural treatment to improve the lives of patients with Parkinson's. Thank you.